Hi fam, let's decorate this cake. So this is my board. The board is clean. I used edible spirit and disposable paper towel to clean the board, and I applied glucose. Glucose tends to hold the cake to the cake board much more firmly than just applying buttercream at the base. So that is why I always go for glucose. Now the next thing is my filling, or rather my buttercream, before putting the second layer of my cake. This, I'm actually making two layers of cake into one. So my buttercream actually carried some cookies, so I decided to put some cookies in the middle as filling, so that my clients will not begin to wonder what did Joy put this time around. So we are getting there every day. Very soon we'll start applying some lemon curd. We'll start applying some, I think, ganache, and the rest of them caramel filling. But for now, we make do with what we can afford and have close to us. So yeah, I've added the second layer. This time around, I am applying the buttercream. I did not want too much drama. That is why I did not even crumb coat. I just went for direct application of my buttercream using the piping bag. I find out it is much more faster for me. Can you let me know in the comment section if you are a baker, which option goes best for you? Do you prefer to crumb coat, or to apply directly using your spatula on the cake, or to do this very piping back method? I want to know. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So here I'm trying to smoothen the cake. Now I don't know if it was raining season here, but I realized that my cake was not smoothening as fast as it has always been. So what I did was, okay, let me get the cake comb that I'll be using and just go to see. I still was not satisfied. It was not giving me the clean. There's something about clean cakes, there's something about smooth and clean cakes. It is eye-catching. So what I did was just something by the side there you see me doing. It's hot water. I got hot water, I dipped my cake comb into it, and I went over again to smoothen. I wanted to see actually how tough this buttercream was. Well, fortunately for it bowed. Yeah. And I went on smoothening, and I just love how this was looking. So next is like, should I say sharp edge, or cleaning the top. You can leave the top like that. It's also a beautiful design, but the particular design I had in mind was calling for a smooth top. So all I did was to just smoothen the top and then create this little waves or cork effect on it. It actually makes your cake beautiful, And then here I choose to clean the side. We don't want those excess buttercream at the base. Now next is I used my chocolate. Now this is ready-made. I didn't make this at home. I bought it. I think here in Abuja it is sold for 4,500 naira. And that is how I bought it, and I like it. I love it. In fact, at the point I was putting it on my hand and licking it. All right, so after that I went on with the other putting of the false balls, edible pears. You will see them. I use gold edible pears, and you would see them, and I'm sure you would like it. And then the happy birthday. Now I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to my returning subscribers. Like family, we are 13,000 strong. Thank you so much. I also want to use this opportunity to welcome all my amazing new subscribers. Thank you so much for coming to Joyous Cakes and More. Yes, we are learning. I'm not a very professional baker, but the little I know, I'm always willing to share. So sit down, relax, watch our old videos, and begin to pick one or two things. Where you have difficulty, you can ask a question. I have very great people here that can contribute in answering. Thank you so much to my amazing 13,000 subscribers. Thank you. I love you. God bless you so, so much. I pray that the Lord will lift your people, all your heart desires according to God's will. God will make it to come to pass. Thank you so much. I'll be happy to know where you are watching me from so that I can give a shout out. I enjoyed doing it the last time, and I hope more will send their location. So bye, love you.